The Whiting-Turner Contracting Company Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Whiting-Turner is a major construction firm, but most people get this wrong. They assume pricing is standardized like a retail product. The surprising truth is that costs are highly project-specific depending on scope, location, materials, and timeline. For commercial projects, pricing typically includes direct construction costs, project management, and contingency allowances. You won't believe how much pre-construction planning influences cost. Design reviews, permits, and site surveys can add thousands but prevent expensive overruns later. Most people get this wrong by comparing quotes without considering the full package of services. Whiting-Turner also provides value through risk management, quality assurance, and scheduling expertise, which are embedded in the overall pricing. In conclusion, Whiting-Turner pricing reflects comprehensive project management and construction execution. By understanding labor, materials, and management components, you go from zero to pro in evaluating bids and ensuring you get the best value for your construction investment.